Hey everybody! This is my dry painting from the airbrush with just the red, Prussian blue and yellow, and I absolutely love it. And so I'm going to use those colors today on a split cup on this round. I already put white paint on it, so I just need to torch the bubbles out of it. Alright, put some gloves on, if I can get them out of the box. Whoops, two fingers, same finger hole. So I've got my split cup right here. You can see it's got a divider. This was a shot glass, and now it's an art glass. So I'm going to put some blue on both sides. And then red in one side. Yellow in the other. Oh, it's hard to get these lids off. A little more blue in this side. Let it drain. Let a little bit escape. Ooh, pretty green. You can see how it's divided, which is really cool. I'm sure when I tilt it, flake of red. You see? Let's torch and see where we're at. Oh, I don't like those bubbles. I don't like those cells, so I'm going to go back in. Much better. I think I'm going to leave it. I was going to tilt it out. I'll tilt some just to see if there's too much paint. There doesn't seem to be too much paint on the canvas. Alright, let's make sure that red doesn't reappear. I like it like this. I think I'm going to torch from far away this time. Look closer on the white. Oops. I did get some edges, that's alright. I love the colors. I love what those three colors do. I got a beautiful purple going on. And the green is fun. I don't like this. Maybe I can just use my glove. There. I didn't like that area right there. That's much better. Let me bring you closer. Ooh, pretty. It always looks different when I see it through the lens. Oh, I got some interesting cells. It's the scream. That cracks me up. All right, anyhow, I'll move you back so you can see. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.